Most people think Pilates is easy until they actually try it. But here's the secret. Pilates isn't just about flexibility. It's one of the most underrated fat loss workouts you're ignoring. Today, I'm giving you a simple Pilates weight loss routine you can do at home, no equipment, and it works even if you're a complete beginner. Let's burn fat the smart way. Pilates is a fat-burning powerhouse because it hits your core, glutes, and posture muscles at the same time. These are your body's stabilizers, the muscles that burn calories even after your workout. And unlike high-impact workouts, Pilates keeps you consistent because it doesn't destroy your joints. Perfect for long-term fat loss. Warms up your core and gets your blood pumping fast. Killer for lower belly fat, and yes, you will feel it. More effective than 10 crunches. And better for your spine. Tones your lower abs and hips, great for stubborn fat. Engage your deep core, flatten your stomach from the inside out. Burns calories while strengthening your entire back chain. Do this routine daily for 10 minutes and your posture improves, your waist tightens, and your metabolism climbs. If you want fat loss without jumping, burpees, or complicated equipment, Pilates is your secret weapon. Let me know in the comments if you want a 10-minute guided Pilates class next. And don't forget, like this video, subscribe to Flip Fit Yourself, and hit the bell so you never miss a new fat-burning workout.